Hey, what's up guys, it's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have your model kit from Cang Toys, my first ever Cang Toys model kit, and this is the War of the God Yandi. And by the way, this is not the deluxe version, this is the regular version. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Cang Toys will offer us collectors. Familiar and loose gifts. Cang Toys Yandi, and I really like the box of this kit. It's it's very glossy, at the same time smooth. I really like the texture of this. And we got here, yes, the silver letterings of Yandi, and yes, you can see me there. I'm doing the video, and yep, it's very nice. My first Cang Toys model kit. Yeah, War of the God, and yes, this red model kit, and it has some resemblance with the Zeon fighters like Scene and Juice and other Char Aznable kits, so it has a deep resemblance on that. And side of the box here, we can see weapons for the kit. We got this backpack here with some I don't know, this is a bit rubbery, and there we got axe, some blades, slash harken, something like that, and yep, this a bit like axe or halberd. And we got interchangeable hands here. We got the action base stand, and we got this inner frame and middle frame, and the kit itself, and the Yandi itself. The other side of the box here, we can see action poses, which is very cool. I really like this. And punta na tayo sa may box. I already opened the box here. We got here the protector piece here. We got Cang Toys and War of the Gods there. Yep, Cang Toys, War of the Gods. And yes, we got here red ports. We got the red clear parts here, yes, and we got mostly red parts, red parts, and these are dark purple parts, which is nice. I really like the color of this, dark purple parts. Got black parts for the inner frame, black parts, this black part with some white parts here for the face, mostly black parts for the inner frame, yes, and this for the action base, inner frame parts, weapon parts. Got this rose gold parts here, red parts, black parts, and this part here that has it's like a Chinese text, which is very cool. Yep, it got some Chinese text. I really like this. I like this. And finally, we got the action base stand. Yes, we got the action base stand and the instruction manual and stickers. These are all water slide eagles, by the way. These are all water slide eagles. So let's go with the instruction manual. I already opened this before. Okay. So the manual here has the same picture from the box art. So we got here colored printouts for the kit. And yep, this is the step 1. You need to do the inner frame, first inner frame, then the second part, then the mobile or model kit itself. Okay, so we got here the parts to be used and the sequence on building. And I now admire that they did some English translation for this Chinese text here, which is very nice. I really like this. I really like this kind of translation for instruction manual. Okay. And yep, the manual is a bit thick. Medyo makapal siya. And these are your water slide vehicles. Okay. So these are the decal placement. It's very cool, and that's it. By the way, I forgot to mention the back of the box here. We got some specification, and unfortunately I cannot read all of this except for the plastic made are from ABS, POM, and PVC. And yep, this is the front view, rear view, and yes, there are Chinese explanation here and English counterpart. Okay. You know, guys, the smell of the plastic smells like mayonnaise. Smells like mayonnaise. So before we build the kit, let's review the runner first. And the runner actually smells like mayonnaise, which is very nice. I feel hungry. So we got here runner B2 and another runner B2. We got 2 runner B2s here for the red armor pieces. Let's go first with those red here. We got runner A2 for this chunky part here, and runner A1. Then we got runner B1 and another one, so we got 2 runner B1s here. Then we got this clear red one here, runner K for the beam effects. We got this rose gold colored plastic here. I think this is injection plastic, if I'm not mistaken. Or yeah, no, this is just a sprayed plastic. This runner J, and mine as well. We got here the name for the runner, War of the God Yandi, made in China. And yes, it's very nice. I really like Chinese kits nowadays. I love you, China. And there we got runner C, 2 sets of runner C for this dark purple color parts. We got 2 of these parts, runner C. And we got the inner frame parts. We got runner D1, 2 runner D1 here. Yes, we got 2 D1. We got H1 here. We got runner G for this metallic gray runner. We got runner G1. We got here runner C1. So we got 2 runner C1 here, or rather Q1 I mean. So these are runner Q1. Then we got runner E2, runner F. We got runner H2. We got this metallic silver or metallic gray, runner N. We got runner D2, 2 runner D2s here. Then we got this runner Q2 and runner R. And we got this 2 white pieces here, runner P for the pilot figure, which is very nice. There's a pilot figure and the face mask of Yandi. And don't forget, we got this clear red pieces here, and this wires here for the slash harkens. So these are very thick wires, and we got this rubbery thing here for, I think this one for the cape, and these are all Chinese text with engraved Chinese text here, as you can see. Yep. Also here, it doesn't have any Chinese text here. Okay, see you next time until I build and finish this kit, and thank you very much for watching this unboxing of Cang Toys Yandi. And thank you very much again to MechPlayer.ph, where I bought this kit for about 2,100 pesos. See you next time. Until then, bye.